Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by watching and matching rhythms. Note feeding, bedding, and wake times so you don't surprise them. Move in muted clothing and limit strong scents. Make sure to approach downwind whenever possible. Once you see a calm window, set a simple offering berry, fish, or soft cloth about 3-5 meters away, then step back and stay very still. This shows intent without threat, and it gives the Sasquatch control over the next move, which builds trust faster than forced interaction. Once the initial offering is accepted or ignored without alarm, make a plan for repetition. Visit at the same time daily to create predictability. Use a single, soft signal, a 2-note whistle or light patter on a log, and a recognizably marked token left near the site. This becomes your vocabulary. Make sure to close distance incrementally. Approach to 2 meters, wait for relaxed body language, then 1 meter. Only attempt touch after consistent calm responses. Patience here converts curiosity into cautious friendship. To seal the bond, settle on a repeatable ritual, specific food, a grooming gesture, or an exchange token, so the Sasquatch knows what to expect and when. Keep interactions short and positive, and always respect clear boundaries. If ears flatten or hair rises, make sure to retreat to safe distance and pause contact. If things go wrong, sudden aggression or loud alarm calls, step back slowly, stop offerings for 72 hours, and resume at a more distant schedule to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.